Movo. I don't know how we can thank you guys for sending us such great and amazing products. And yet another one. Guys, we have a UM300 USB microphone right in front of us. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Brandon Rapola, and in today's tech video, we're going to be looking at yet another Movo product. We can't thank them enough for sending us such great products, and I already know before opening this one, it's going to be well worth our time. So you guys are definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Anyways, enough of the jibber jabbers. Let's get right into this video. So obviously, UM300, guys, this is what we're dealing with here from Movo. You can use this on your phone, your Android, or computer Type-C. On the side right here, it just gives you, the nice products, their socials and whatnot. And then on the top of the box here, it says, wait, activate 2-year warranty. So they have a 2-year warranty, guys, for this product. That's actually insane that Movo is willing to guarantee that this product is going to work for 2 years without any problems. Again, it should be for most microphones, but I mean, they guarantee you 2-year warranty for anything that's inside. So I guess that's a very long time. Most guys are 30 days or 60-day manufacturer warranty, and then they're gone. But 2 years, I'm actually impressed with that. So what's in the box, guys? We have the microphone, USB-C to USB-A cable, and USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's go ahead and bust open this bad boy from Movo, guys. If you guys haven't already, please leave a like on the channel, subscribe, share, comment. It just helps us out like tremendously, guys. So as you guys are opening this box here, we are greeted with the couple Movo cards here. So are you happy or are you sad? So they ask you guys to do a quick little review. I just love when companies actually ask you if you're happy or mad, because they care about your satisfaction and they want to make their users better. So here it is, guys. Another Movo sticker here. It comes with most Movo things. So here we are with the user's manual. These companies based out of the US of A. So that's just nice to know. So let's bust open this foam packaging that we have here. I want to get this out without ripping the foam, because I'm just kind of that guy. All right, so it looks like, did I open this up backwards? No, I guess that's just how it's supposed to be. Oh, I'm dumb. Anyways, so here we are, guys. We have our cords here. As they said, our USB-A to USB-C cords. These are quite long cords too, so there's nothing really to worry about length there at all. So as we take a look at this one too, USB-C to USB-C cable. That was for the Android phones is what they noted. Anyways, let's set those cables off to the side, and let's look at this UM300 microphone. So as we take this out, is there a silica gel packet? Anything else in there? Nope. Let's set that off to the side. Check that out, guys. Movo UM300. As we take a look at it here, it's got a nice stand to it. It's kind of small, compact design. It's just, your simple USB standard microphone, right? So here is the product, guys, from Movo. I'm just going to do a quick, little, just so you guys can see the product itself here. You got the microphone. There's nothing on the back here. Simply just a blank space. And then you have a mounting option right here to change. And then you have, obviously, your screws right here on the mount that you can tighten or loosen to your liking. But on the bottom here, you guys have a monitoring output. So, you plug in your headphones, guys, and then you'll be able to hear your audio. And then you have your USB-C plug-in, what you're going to be plugging into your computer or your Android device. But we will be trying iPhone with our dongle. Not sure if it's going to work, but might as well try. So we have our Movo here stand, guys. Let's go over kind of the controls here and what we got to offer. So from the standpoint here, this is a free rotating button. It changes your microphone volume right here. And there is a ring light around here. So whenever you press this down, it actually will mute your mic here. So that'll show up red right there. Anyways, this is your microphone monitoring output and your microphone output volume. So, they're kind of the same. So that way, whatever you hear is what you're going to be recording. Anyways, so if we take a look down here on the device, guys, there's a pattern button. So What that essentially means is the polar pattern, right? So it's what this microphone is going to pick up audio at. So as you guys can see, with just a circle, what that essentially means, it's going to be omnidirectional. So that means, it's going to pick up sound from all around. But if you guys want to just switch to the cardioid polar pattern, which is this pattern right here, kind of the one with a little bit of an indent, kind of weird circle looking, that it's going to cancel out the audio back behind here, and then it's going to pick up, kind of the audio that comes from right here kind of over. So that way there's nothing in the background that's going to pick up. Maybe when you're recording something, say there's a lot of loud noises in the background of the mic that you don't want to pick up, you would just simply switch to the cardioid pattern instead of the omnidirectional pattern. So that's nice that this microphone actually has two different polar patterns to it. So you don't see that much. Usually on USB microphones, it's kind of just a plug and play, and then you have either a cardioid polar pattern or you have an omnidirectional polar pattern. Simple design here. As we take a look on the bottom, we have the official Movo stand USB condenser microphone model UM300. A nice foam bottom right here, so it's not going to be scratching anything you put on. So what we're going to have to do here is we actually have a Fifine mic USB microphone that I'm going to be comparing to this Movo UM300 microphone. And if you guys want to go ahead and check out that Fifine video, it'll be right here. We did that a while ago on the channel here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my MacBook here, so that way I am not messing around with the recording of our studio here. And I'm going to be using my MacBook here to be doing a new audio recording here with the Movo UM300, guys. So I'm going to simply just plug in the cord that they offered us that came with the device here into my MacBook. And we're going to open up QuickTime Player. That way we can do a audio recording for you guys. So that way you guys can see what this puppy sounds like. So I'm doing a new audio recording here. Okay. I've just selected the mic on the QuickTime Player. It was simply just plug and play. Let's work on the cardioid polar pattern first. So what you guys have been hearing right now is the BM800 from Shure.
What did he say?
But I'm going to go ahead and transition over to this Movo. And now you guys should be hearing the audio coming from the USB microphone that Movo has given us, which is the UM300 model. So again, Movo UM300 model that I am currently using as an audio test here for you guys. So I know I've got it, just a nice level away here, like on the desk if I were to use it. As you guys can see from this camera angle over here, you could see, kind of what is going on here with the microphone, the distance that I'm dealing with, and the microphone test. So I'm not really talking too loudly, but I'm also not talking too softly. So again, Movo UM300 mic test. And now we're going to be transitioning over to the Fifine mic so you guys can get a little bit of comparison compared to the Movo UM300. All right, guys, so now what you'll be hearing is the volume from the Fifine mic that I have plugged in right here, as you guys can see on screen. It's all plugged in like so. Again, it's in the same position as the Movo mic, but on this mic, we can actually change the microphone level on the mic itself. On the Movo, that level adjuster was just for the monitor. So, when you connect your headphones, it'll adjust the volume of that. But again, we're about 50% on the Fifine mic right now. Again, this is a little bit of an audio test compared to the Movo. We'll be switching over back to the Movo, guys, right now. That way you guys can get a better quality test. And now we are back on the Movo UM300. So we're going to continue out the video with this microphone, guys. So yeah, there was just a little bit of a test. You guys heard the Shure SM7B in the beginning of the video, and then we transitioned over to the Movo, and then we listened to the Fifine for a little bit, and now we're back on the Movo. That way, it gives you guys a really crisp, from all the way super expensive to Movo to Fifine. So Fifine's a little bit cheaper than Movo, but anyways, yeah, guys, so I think that's about it. And again, if you guys want to check out our other videos, our most recent video will be right here. So go ahead and please check that out. It only helps us out. Please make sure to leave the like or dislike. But if you do, I'm going to come and find you. And yeah, just kidding. Not really. I don't even know what I'm saying here. Anyways, guys, so I think that's all I'm going to have for this Movo UM300 video. Thanks again, Movo, for being such a great company for sending us products to do reviews on. We love them. We've been using our products for many, many, many years now. So, we are always super great and happy to get your guys' products on our channel. So, thanks once again, guys. And we'll catch you on the next video.